Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block people from seeing your Instagram story. Open your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account, and then slide right. From here, you'll see a gear icon located on the upper right part of your screen. Click on that. Now you're on your settings, click Story. In here, you'll see Hide Story From. Click that. Now you can select those people you want to hide your story from. You can also use search bar in order for you to search those people. And then click Done. Now, what if you want to edit those people you're hiding your story from? Then, just go back to your settings. Click the gear icon once again. Click Story. Hide Story From. Then unselect people you want to remove from this list. Now click Done. And that's how you block and unblock people from seeing your Instagram story. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.